Hi friends!
Hi friends.
I'm Diana.
And I'm Lila.
And today we are going to draw a...
Unicorn.
Unicorn! Dun, dun, dun. Who has ever seen a unicorn?
I have.
You have?
Uh-huh.
Where?
It was this place that, it was just a horse.
Uh-huh.
And then they made it look like a unicorn.
Oh, so
and then one of my friends went on it for her birthday.
Oh.
And then I went on the other unicorn.
Oh, so you kind of saw like a pretend unicorn.
Yeah, kind of like a pretend-ish unicorn.
So I think that's kind of what we're going to do today. We're going to draw a pretend fun unicorn, which means you can do whatever colors you want, whatever, like you can add extra things to it. So let's get started. Everyone grab a piece of paper, grab your marker, pencil, pen, whatever you have. And let's get started. Let's start up here in this top area where the head of the unicorn is. So for that, all we're gonna do is we're gonna make like a U shape, but kind of like a U shape that's tilted, okay? So for that, we're gonna go like this. Like that. Okay? So it's a sideways U, yeah. Okay, great. And then we're gonna make the neck, we're gonna just go down, we're gonna make this like long curvy line. It's gonna go from the neck part down to the feet.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from somewhere over here, not like at the very top here, but somewhere over here. And I'm just gonna work my way down to probably about somewhere down there. So watch this. Curve down, like that. So not a perfect straight line, but just a teeny bit of a curve. Yeah. Yep, I think that's good. That's good. Not too long. Okay, so now what we want to do is let's go back to the top, and we're going to start, what we're going to do is we're going to make a curve, kind of like an S curve, and that's going to be the top of the ear down to somewhere out here, the top of the head, because we're going to kind of make the top of the ear and a part of the hair. So what we're going to do is we're going to start somewhere up here and make kind of like this shape. So kind of like an S shape like that.
Here?
Yeah, and then just go work your way down and then to the left and then out. And then make it out, like stick out a little bit from the head, like whoosh, little bit out. Perfect, yeah. And then what we'll do is we'll continue with the ear. So for that, we'll just go like this. Just make like a curve going down. And let's make like a little triangle curve like that for the ear.
To make like the inside of the ear?
Exactly, yeah. Thank you.
Like the tinier part of the
So
ear?
the inside of the ear. Great, okay. And we'll continue with the hair in just a minute. I want to first work on the rest of the body. So for that, what we'll do is we're going to make the top part of the neck here going down and making a curve like somewhere to like about here. So watch this. It's going to be kind of an S, but a backwards kind of curvy S. So we'll go like this, and we'll go down.
Kind of like making a horse.
Exactly.
But with a horn.
Exactly. So something like that. So whoosh, okay? So where the ear is, and then go down, and then out to the right. Curve
It's
to
kind of like a dinosaur too.
And then let's take this part and go down to where the same distance going down to where the other foot is.
Think about it.
Yep. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to work on the belly. So that's going to be down here. So for that, we're just going to make like a curve, kind of like a smiley face. So we'll go like that. So just make a curve and just make sure there's room both on the right and on the left, because we're going to finish the feet in just a moment. Beautiful.
Kind of curvy on the end.
Exactly. And then here, I'm actually going to curve it a little bit more. So for here, I'm going to now work on this leg over here. So let's make a curvy line that's just going down and then connect the two like that.
From here?
Yeah, and I think what I would do is I would make this part go in a little bit more to like there. So just continue that line. because we don't want that one leg to look too big. Yep, and then go down. So start from a little bit above that part. Yep, and then go down to where that is, and then connect the legs, the feet.
Right here.
Yep.
It's too big.
And we'll do the same thing for here, going down to here. So about the same distance for this foot, like that. Curve down a little bit to the left. Yep, to the left a little bit. And then you can stop at the same distance. And then we'll continue working on this leg. So we'll basically be somewhere in between these two parts. So somewhere like this, and we'll curve down like that and connect the feet. Yeah, exactly. And then let's finish off this foot part here. So this will also go down to here. So somewhere, let's connect them somewhere down here and go like that. And then I want to make sure they're the same length, like that. So a little bit lower, a little bit down, yeah. Yeah, and you might want to use your left hand to hold the paper so it doesn't move around.
Move around too much.
And then here we'll work on the back leg here too. So what we'll do is we'll make a curve going down. And we'll also make that. And then we'll just finish off like that. And then let's just draw little straight lines for the hooves. So for the bottom,
Hooves.
it's like the bottom of the feet of the,
Like the dirtier part.
it's the part, it's kind of actually called the nail of the horse or a pony, but it's called a hoof. Beautiful. Okay, so there you go. There's our body, right? So what we want to do, let's go back up top here and start working on making this a really beautiful horse. And actually, how about we'll start with the face, okay? So for that, let's make some eyes. So for that, we'll just do a curve like that, upside down U shape. And then some eyelashes curving up, bloop, 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 like that. That looks so cute. I love yours. It's so beautiful. So how about we'll give it a smile? So for that, let's go down to somewhere about here.
Yeah, because it doesn't look too happy.
Well, actually, yours looks pretty happy. It already looks like it has a smiley face right there. What we're gonna do is gonna come from somewhere about the middle of this part of the nose right here, and we'll just make a curve going up like that. So we'll go wee, like that. Just a curve. Whoop. Cute. And then for the nose, we'll just make like kind of like a little oval shape right here. So we'll kind of go like that.
Like a raindrop.
Cute. Yeah, exactly. It could be a raindrop. Okay, so now let's go to the part where we can have some fun with some hair, because unicorns, do they have some pretty cool hair? And also like maybe multicolored hair, right?
Yeah,
lots of different colors.
long.
So we'll try to do something like that where we're gonna make some lines so you can draw them and color them in different colors. So let's go back to the top part here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a curvy shape that goes like this. So kind of like an S again, and it goes like that.
So from like,
So from the top, going to the top left and then curving down to meet the other part of the hair, the bottom part.
And then it kind of swirly.
Yeah. And then let's do the hair over here. So for this part, let's go and make a big curve like this. So watch. So we'll start from this part of the ear. And let's go like that. And let's curve it like this. Okay? So we're gonna make a big hair. Down, like a slide. Whee! And curving up. And then curve down. There you go. And how about we'll have some hair that curves in to its face. So for that, what we'll do is we'll start here somewhere and we'll make a curve like a slide going up.
Like a backwards heart.
And then we'll take that point and we'll curve it up like that. There you go.
Like a telephone.
That's so cute. And then how about we'll add some more hair going also on this part of the body. So what I want to do is make a curve. Like you can really do any kind of curves you want. I'm going to do something like this. And then I'll keep going up. So go wee up. So go down, curve. Yep, you can stop any point. And I just curved it up a little bit. So you can curve it up. And then I'm gonna actually make a bigger curve going down like that.
Oh.
So do another curve going down to the left a little bit. And then I think what I wanna do is just swoop it up like this, like that.
So she has like
just lots of hair. And then you can also add lines, so you can add like inside
so
lines.
you can make them lots of
different colors, yeah, and you can just kind of follow the curve. Yeah, and then same thing here. I'm gonna just do like a curve going like that. Maybe I'll do one from here going down to this curve. Maybe another one down here going down to that part of the curve. And it's just making curvy lines to separate out the different hair colors. Yeah, and then for the top part, we'll do the same thing. We'll just continue following the curve of the hair. We'll continue following the curve of the hair.
I'm like, where am I?
There you go.
Yeah, so much hair.
Yeah, you don't need too many curves. I would just say make two or one in each section of the hair. Oh, we forgot something. Tail needs a big curvy tail.
Right.
So tails are fun too.
Tail.
Yeah, they have a beautiful tail. And we can also do a curve for the tails. For that, we can start maybe somewhere right here and go up and down. So like wee up and down like a big slide. And curve in and up. Yep. And then what we'll do is we'll connect. We'll go somewhere over here and we'll go down and connect that point. There you go. And then we'll do the same thing. We'll add like maybe 1 or 2 lines here so that it can have different colors.
I'm gonna just do
for the hair. There, maybe I'll do another one like there. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, what do we forget? What do unicorns have that make them really a unicorn?
Like heart?
What is this thing called that's up here on that forehead? A horn?
A horn?
Yeah.
I forgot what it is.
And they have a really cool one too, right? So for that, what we're gonna do is let's make a line. Let's start the line from here going up to there. So actually I'm gonna start from there going down to here. So where the ear is, going up.
A little bit.
And then we'll take that point and we'll bring it down to here. So we'll connect it down to here. There, I think now it really looks like a unicorn. There you go. And then you can draw some swirly lines if you want, and that just makes it look even more
You can make different
like
colors.
a unicorn type of a corn. You can make different colors. You can do it all one color, whatever you want. And
Unicorns are actually yellow.
you know, for unicorns, I would say any color is good.
Yeah.
How about we'll add maybe a little heart, maybe right here, a little happy heart. Bloop, bloop. And I think that's pretty much
times.
there. You yours is so cute. That's pretty much it. You guys can add more fun hair. You can add a few more details to the body if you want, more hearts. I think at this point I'm ready to color mine in. What do you think?
I think I'm ready.
Yeah. So we're gonna start coloring ours in. You guys can pause the video, color yours in. We're gonna speed up the video and then come back and see how we did ours when we're done. Ready?
Yep.
finished unicorns. Lila, let's show yours. I love it. I love how ours are just like similar but different. You have your own style and your cute little heart. And yours is very orange unicorn. It had maybe too many carrots. Do you know that unicorns, well, not unicorns, I don't know about unicorns, but horses eat carrots.
Whoa.
Yeah. So, and you've got a beautiful colored horn, looks like similar color to the hair. And I did kind of the same thing where my horn looks a little bit similar to the hair. And I colored mine in blue, just something different and fun. And thank you for doing this drawing exercise with us. We really hope you enjoyed it. And we would love to see how your drawing turned out. So please take a photo and share with us. The information for how to do that is below the video. And if you want to see more drawings, examples from us, please give this video a thumbs up. So like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with a friend. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.